Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start recording using an app on GoPro Fusion 360. To do it, you can just start recording with this button. You can switch between modes like that. But you can also enable preview and start recording in the preview. So you can see the preview just like that. And then start recording. As you can see, it starts recording. You cannot see the preview now until it stops recording. You can add highlights if you need them, and you can stop recording and it will be saved and you'll be able to view it here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.